How to uncrate a BF-1501 Aries embroidery machine. We start by taking a look at the wooden shipping crate. Before opening it, make sure the crate is placed in an area with enough space to work safely. This crate is designed to keep the machine protected during transportation. Using a flathead screwdriver, we begin removing the metal brackets that secure the wooden panels on the sides of the crate. Once the brackets are removed, we carefully take off each side panel of the wooden crate, and then we proceed to take out all the accessories that come with the machine. Set them aside in a safe place and make sure all parts are accounted for before continuing. Carefully remove the plastic wrap that covers the machine. Next, we remove the 4 screws located at the bottom. These screws are used to hold the machine in place and prevent movement during shipping. Now we begin assembling the machine stand. Make sure the table bases are positioned correctly and aligned in the proper direction. You'll find a small box included with the shipment. Inside, you'll find a visual guide along with the screws, washers, nuts, and mounting bases needed to assemble the machine stand. Unwrap all the table components needed for the assembly. The base consists of 2 side frames connected by 3 support pieces. Next, we take this side support piece and attach it to each side of the base using 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 nuts per side. This helps keep the structure stable while still allowing room to insert the remaining components. The second side support bar will be installed later, since the bottom support piece needs to be positioned first. Once all components are in place, everything will be fully tightened using a wrench and an Allen key. Next, we install the 4 wheels, 1 on each corner of the stand. Once the wheels are installed, carefully flip the machine stand over, making sure the wheels are now touching the floor. Once the stand is upright, we place the 4 mounting bases on top of the stand, where the machine will later be set in place. Next, we flip the machine stand once again. At this point, we will install the final components of the machine stand, as mentioned earlier. We place the square plate into position. Next, we insert the screws, washers, and nuts on each side, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Once the hardware is in place, we install the final side support bar. Once everything is properly aligned, we can fully tighten all the hardware to secure the stand. Now we move to the machine itself. Below the thread guide bracket, you'll find 2 thread guide pillars and a set of 4 rubber pads. Then insert the thread guide pillar. Place the thread stand onto the machine. Make sure to install the knob nut along with the 2 washers onto the thread guide pillar. Turn the thread guide pillar clockwise until it is fully tightened. Slightly lift one side of the machine and place 2 rubber pads underneath. Then, gently lift the opposite side and install the remaining 2 rubber pads. Make sure all 4 pads are properly seated and fully supporting the machine. Finally, with the help of 2 people, we carefully lift the Aries machine and place it on top of the stand, aligning it with the mounting bases. And with that, the Aries embroidery machine is successfully uncrated and placed on its stand,